Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn with PR. In this video, we are going to learn about circular queue. So it is a linear data structure where the last position is connected back to the first position to form a circle. So it overcomes the limitation of a normal queue where unused space cannot be reused. So in a normal queue, basically after deletion, जब हम delete कर देते हैं, so empty spaces are created at the front, right? But they cannot be reused. So the circular queue solves this by wrapping around. Okay, the main key concept is a front and rear. So front points to the very first element and rear points to the last element. All right. So in the basically we have seen earlier. Suppose this is a simple linear queue. Okay, so in this we have created here five elements we have stored. So front become zero index. This is a zero index. All right, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. All right, so rear is pointing to the fourth index. That means queue is full. Okay, when we want to delete, so deletion will be done from the front end. Okay, so front will delete. So that means now front is pointing to the first location. This location is now over. Then if you want to delete again, if you want to delete 20, so 20 will delete, right? So you will say here this is a 2 and now f is pointing this location. Okay, so now these storage left actually. Okay, जो हमने storage हमने starting में रखी थी, as you know very well, I said here as well, like in this, when we dq delete करते हैं हम जब element को, so front move forward. Okay, front moves forward, so there is an empty space at the beginning and we can't reuse it. Okay, if I want to delete, I have deleted two values 10 and 20. Okay, if you want to delete 30 40, that's on you. I want to insert 60, so you will say na ma'am here it will go 60 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, नहीं, as you know very well we have to insert, हमें अपना कंसेप्ट नहीं भूलना है that front में अगर फ्रंट हम किसके लिए यूज करते हैं, फ्रंट हम डिलीट के लिए यूज करते हैं. इफ वी वांट टू इंसर्ट 60, ओके, देन वी हैव टू इंसर्ट इट फ्रॉम द रेयर एंड, हमें रेयर से इंसर्ट करना है. बट एज रेयर सेज व्हाट, दैट यू कैन स्टोर ओनली 5 एलिमेंट्स, वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टोर्ड इट, नाउ देयर इज नो स्पेस. Is there any space? You can, no, there is no space. So these space, as you know, हमने यहाँ पे डिलीट कर दिया ये वैल्यूज, तो हमारे दो स्पेस अभी खाली है, बट हम उसको रीयूज नहीं कर सकते हैं. That is the problem of a queue actually. So what is the solution for this queue? Solution is a circular queue. Circular queue में क्या होता है, जो लास्ट पोजीशन होती है वो फर्स्ट पोजीशन से कनेक्ट हो जाती है. जो ये फर्स्ट लोकेशन थी, दिस इज अ फर्स्ट सेकंड लास्ट लोकेशन. ओके, सो हाउ वी कैन कनेक्ट इट, हम कैसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं इसको? सो विल मेक अ सर्कल ना. हम क्या करेंगे, सपोज दिस इज योर सर्कल. Okay, that how you can say it. Now this is a zero index value, this is a 1 2 3 and this is 4. Okay, so this circle we can make. All right, so this is a simple one. Okay, now let's try here to understand that thing. So what we have to do, we have to form a circle here. Okay, in this circle basically we have 0 index, 1 index, this is 0 1 index, we have 2 index, we have 3 index here and we have 4 index here. Okay, so this is a circle actually. So in this circle, as you know very well, circle में there is no end, कोई end ही नहीं होता है circle में तो, right? So if you want to provide the value here, first location में, this is a front right now, front is -1 right now, there is no element. If you are storing the element inside it, okay, then I want to store 5 value. So I am storing here 5 value. So front and rear both become what? This. Okay, this is how we can say. Now if I want to insert 10, so 10 will be here. Now front will remain same, but rear is now pointing, rear will say pointing, rear is pointing to this location. Okay, this is how we can do it. Now if you want to insert 15, so 15 is here now. Okay, So now you will say what? Rear is now pointing this location. This is okay. So now here you will say rear is what? 2 and front is what? 0. Okay, we left with the two spaces as well. We can write it. Okay, if you want to insert, suppose 20 here, 40 here, I am writing 40 here, 50. So now write down the value which we have to update. Which value we have to update now? We have to update which value? Please write down that thing in a comment box. So now we have to update the rear value. Rear value will become what? 4. Okay, so front is 0 and rear is 4. All right. Now, if I want to delete, value, okay, so as you know, we have to delete value from, front. So we will delete the front. What is front right now? Front is 0. So we'll delete the 5 value. Okay, once you will delete it, so here is no longer with this, it will say here, now front become this value. Front is now this. Okay, if you want to delete 20, 10, whatever the value you have written, 5 we have deleted, 10 we want to delete, suppose. Okay, so my front किसको point करेगा? 2 को point करेगा. Okay, so this is how we can do it. है ना, जैसे जैसे हम अपडेट करते रहेंगे वैसे वैसे हमारी वैल्यू बढ़ती रहेगी. Okay, are you getting our point? So this is how we can do it, a simple one. Okay, so if we want to delete 10, so 10 is now deleted. Now front is pointing this location. But when you want to insert a new element, जब आपको new element को insert करना है, ठीक है, आपने क्या कहा? रेयर हमारा कहाँ पहुंच गया है? लास्ट 4 इंडेक्स में पहुंच गया है. ओके, सो देर इज अ सिनेरियो दैट इन अ सर्कल देर इज नो एंड. हमारे पास कुछ एंड नहीं होता है. ठीक है, तो इफ देर इज नो एंड इन अ सर्कल, देन हाउ यू कैन से देर इज नो स्पेस? वी हैव स्पेस आफ्टर 4. So we have to consider a formula here. Okay, we have to consider a formula. If I want to insert 60, okay, so it will check the front and rear. So rear is got the max size as 4, you can say, max minus 1, 4 you can say. Okay, so but front is 2, so they are not equal, है ना. You will say like this. ठीक है, there is a space we left with. Okay, हमारे पास कोई स्पेस है जो हमारे पास, जहां हम 60 अपलोड कर सकते हैं, 60 को हम अपडेट कर सकते हैं. Right, so how we can check it? So for that I have written here a formula for it. If that which we have consider in a linear queue, that is rear equals to rear plus 1, we were checking the condition as front is equal to minus 1. Those condition we have to check here also, but we have to check a more conditions here as well. Okay, and we have to provide some formula as well. So हमें formula भी देखते रहना है. So in this we have to check rear. Rear is equal to rear plus 1 modulus size, whatever the size you have taken. Okay, just write down this formula here. Okay, and then check R rear is equal to rear plus 1. Okay, and whatever the value we have here, okay, it will be modulus with a size, whatever size. So size I have taken here 5. Okay, modulus, and rear is what? 4, na? 4 plus 1, so it become 5. 5 modulus 5, it become what? 0 ना. So this is, you can say, rear now become 0. So rear आपका 0 बन जाएगा. तो rear आपका क्या है? 0. This is right now your rear is saying I am not 4, I am here 0. So provide here a new value as 60. So you will write here, and your rear is now pointing to this location. Are you getting a point? So this is how we can do it. And then again rear will increase the value. Rear की increase होती रहेगी value. Okay, so this is how we can do it. Or if you want to use this formula for this as well, we can do it. अगर आपको सिर्फ यही फॉर्मूले को यूज करना है तो आप इसको भी कर सकते हो. अब मेरा क्या बनाइए, रेयर आपका 0 है तो यहाँ पे 0 कर दो, तो आपका 1 हो गया. तो 1 मॉडुलस 5 बिकम 1. सो नाउ रेयर इज बिकम दिस. नाउ यू कैन ऑल्सो अपलोड अ डिफरेंट वैल्यू. कोई और वैल्यू आप लिखना चाहते हो 80, 80 विल स्टोर हियर. Okay, so this is how you can do insertion, deletion, right? अगर हमें यहाँ पे delete करना है फिर से, if you want to delete, so delete तो will always happen from front है ना. Okay, so front is now become, as you can say, front here as 2. Okay, so when you want to delete it, so 15 need to delete, so 15 आपका यहाँ पे delete हो जाएगा. ठीक है. ओहो, so 15 आपका यहाँ पे delete हो जाएगा, right? So once is deleted, it will say now pointing to this location. Okay, front is this. So this is how we can do it. If you want to again delete, so delete कर दो, इसको भी delete कर दो. ठीक है, इसको भी delete कर दो. ठीक है. If you want to delete that thing, so how now front value of front will be? Front की value कितनी होगी? तो here front again say we have a formula, we can check it. Formula is what? Front is equal to front plus 1 modulus size. So we have to keep checking the front value with the help of this formula as well. Okay, now you will say front as front. Okay, so here was front 30, suppose यहाँ पे 30 था, so front is now pointing this location. Okay, front आपका ये location hold कर रहा है. ठीक है. So now if you want to delete again, so now front value become what? अब आप फिर से फॉर्मूले में अप्लाई कर दो. फॉर्मूला क्या है आपका? The formula is front is equal to front plus 1 modulus size. Okay, so just write down front is equal to front plus 1 modulus size. So size you have taken 5. Okay, size taken you 5. Now front is 4 plus 1, again 5 modulus 5, so it will become 0. So now you will say here, now it is not pointing this location, as you want to release this 30, it will point, this F will point to this location. Okay, so whatever value you will insert, it will point that only. Okay, so this is a simple one. Okay, let me write a simple program for you one more time, and please understand this thing. It is very, very easy, and it's also you have to remember so many things in this actually. Okay, so formula you have to remember all the time. All right, so here I am creating a circular cube. Okay, so here we have 0 index, 1, 2, 3. 3 index we have. We can store up to 4 values in this. Okay, we are inserting first. Right now front and rear both are -1. So that means there is no value. So when you will enter a new value here, you are entering 10. Okay, so now front is pointing this location and rear is also pointing this location. Done? Okay. Now you want to insert 20 in this. Okay, 20 भी आ गया, ये आ गया 20. So now rear is pointing, front will not be there, rear is pointing, front will remain indicating to 0, but rear is pointing this location. Done. Now you want to insert more values here. You want to insert 30, okay, and 40. So you inserted. So now rear is pointing which location? Rear is pointing this location. Done. Okay. Now this is how you can say your front is what? Front is 0 and rear is 3. If I want to insert 50 in this क्यू, सर्कुलर क्यू में 50 डालने का है, तो इसमें क्या है? So for the current queue, the value of rear is what? 3, and the value of the max size is what? 4. Okay, so hence you can say provide that formula. Formula क्या है आपका? Formula is what? Rear is equal to rear plus 1 modulus max size, or size you can say, whatever size is. This is a size, okay? So I'm saying max size, right? So max size is what? 4 modulus 3 plus 1. It will say 4 modulus 4. That means 0. Okay? So there is a one condition to check, as your front, जो front आपका क्या है? 0 है ना? Front आपका 0 है. एंड रेयर आपका 3 है। अब आपने अगर ये फॉर्मूला, आपको फिर से चेक करना पड़ेगा ना इस फॉर्मूले से कि फ्रंट जो हमारा रेयर है जो, ओके वो कह रहा है कि 40 इज वी हैव इंसर्टेड, नाउ आई वांट टू इंसर्ट 50, सो रेयर से ही तो इंसर्ट होगा, सो इट विल चेक दिस फॉर्मूला सेज now you have to upload a new value at 0 index, rare is 0, okay इस 0 index में आपको डालने का है। so you have to check one condition, okay, note that front is also pointing to 0 index, okay 0 index को point कर रहा है and rare also come out to be 0, okay, so that is what you can say, rare is also pointing to q0, rare भी इसी को point कर रहा है, q means that's array name q, okay is 0, so since you can say rear and front both are equal, that means this situation you can say what, overflow condition, okay ये overflow condition हो जाएगी, ठीक है, it means what, you can't store a new element as it is full, okay, so this is how we can do this condition. You have to remember if front is equal to your rear, that means you can't store a new value, okay. If there is a if you will say here I want to delete a value, so deletion will be happen in from the front only, okay, so when you will say deletion, so जब आप delete कर दोगे, 0 index ये 1 2 and 3 index, okay, जब आप delete करोगे तो कैसे होगा, यहाँ पे 10 था, 10 delete हो जाएगा, so front is now pointing this location, inside it you have 20 30, okay you have 40 here, so rear to is pointing this location, okay rear to is pointing this location, front is deleted, so you will say front is pointing this location. Now if you want to insert 50, that's possible, अगर आपको 50 इंसर्ट करने का है तो 50 आप आर 50 कैसे कहाँ जाएगा, 50 के लिए अगर आपको फिर से एक इस फॉर्मूले को क्या करना पड़ेगा, फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, सो यू विल गेट रेयर इज 0, so you will check front is equal to rear, no front is 1 and rear is 0, so no, so yes you can provide a 50 new value here, so you will say 50 inserted in this location. Now this rear will say pointing not this location, it is pointing this location, okay, so this is how you can insert. if you want to delete, so delete कर दो, 20 delete हो जाएगा, okay 20 delete कर दो, अगर 20 delete हो गया है that means what, now your front is not pointing this location, front is pointing this location. You want to delete um, 30 also, है ना, so front and rear both pointing to this 20 location, this 0 location, okay, so this is how we can say it. तो आप यहाँ पे front हटा के, now you can say front is also pointing this, sorry not r, front, so front is also pointing this location. So you just need to remember the formula, as formula says circular basically says when rear reaches the last index it goes back to the 0, the formula you have to make sure this you have to use all the time, okay, so this is a simple one, all right. So in the next video we will see the implementation using array and linked list, okay, so if you like this video please share with your friends, okay, and subscribe to my channel, watch the playlist also, full playlist for the DSA, okay, I will provide the link, okay, thank you so much, we'll meet in the next video, we'll see the implementation using array and linked list in the next video. Thank you so much, stay tuned.